guys, welcome to my kitchen. Do you find this intimidating? Some people get a little freaked out when they have to dice or mince fresh garlic. But you know, there's really nothing better when it comes to flavor. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn this into something to add into your soup. We are going to turn this into freshly minced garlic. So the first thing you're going to do is just pull off the cloves with your bare hands. I like to do 3 at a time. It gives you enough to work with, but not too much that it takes up your entire cutting board. Okay, I'm just gonna take this. Yes, the skin is peeling. I'm gonna take my leftover garlic and store it for next time. Now, what I'm going to do is just gently slice off the top and the bottom of each clove. And the best way to do that is to lay the clove down on the side where it's least wobbly. So for this piece, it's gonna be not this side and not the back. It's usually one of the other sides. I don't know if that's the right word, but that's what I'm calling it. Just give it a little slice off because again, we never wanna hurt ourselves when we're cutting. Push that to the side. This skin is very sticky. So we wanna make sure we keep it separate from the part we're gonna eat. Now that we've sliced off the tops and bottoms, I'm gonna put our garlic down on the ground. Take your knife, lay the blade against the garlic, take your hand and give that a nice push until you hear it crack. And that crack, what you just heard, that's the skin just coming off. That's right, that's how easy it is. You just give, oh yeah, there we go. And it's fine to smash your garlic. That's what we wanna call what we're doing. Because we are just mincing this up, it doesn't need to look pretty. And it's not gonna look pretty actually. There we go. Now, again, we never use our cutting board as a garbage can, so I'm just gonna remove all the skin because I don't want it to get mixed into my garlic. I'm gonna give my knife a little wipe here because I do have some of that garlic skin attached, and again, I don't want it in my food. Now I'm gonna take my garlic pieces, I'm gonna line them up, and now I'm just going to, leaving the tip of my blade on the board, I'm just gonna rock back and forth like this, gently. I'm trying to get the garlic towards the back of the knife. Give that a nice little cut there. Take it off both sides of your knife. Garlic does get a little bit sticky. Push it together and I'm just going to go across again, gently. And if you can see, I'm holding on to my knife to try and keep it steady. And I'm just rocking it back and forth over the garlic, trying to get it all in the middle. I'm just gonna bring it all, wipe it again. And this to me looks fine. Like this is ready to go in the bottom of a nice hot oiled pot. You can start cooking. There's just a couple of pieces that are a little bit bigger, so I'm just gonna quickly go over it one more time. And if I see bigger pieces, I'm aiming towards those. There, now I have some beautifully minced garlic. How in the world am I going to get this into my pot? Let me show you. So I have a square of parchment paper, and I'm just going to, using my knife as sort of a surface, I'm gonna pile up the garlic on my knife and I'm just gonna gently push it off. Again, it's sticky, so it's gonna be on both sides. Just push it onto the paper. I'm just gonna scoop it up again, scoop up all the remainders, and there we go. Now that it's on my parchment, it's really easy to just take this and just slide it back into your pot. Now you're ready to start cooking.